Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 5 of the best rice cookers in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy. This Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy can make great rice, even when other cookers produce starchy, congealed messes. It's one of the most compact models that have a removable lid, and inner pot with handles for easy lifting out of the machine. This 5.5 cup rice cooker and warmer can make almost 10 cups of cooked rice and includes a variety of cooking functions, comprising of white like regular sushi, softer or harder, mixed rice, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. It uses a black thick spherical pan with stay cool side handles that provides even heating for better cooking. And in addition to that, there is also a programmable melody or beep audio indicator to indicate when the cooking cycle has ended. Since it has an advanced fuzzy logic technology, it will allow the rice cooker to think for itself and make fine adjustments to temperature and heating time to cook perfect rice every time. While its other features comprise of detachable and washable inner lid, an easy-to-read LCD control panel, automatic keep warm, extended keep warm and reheating cycle, delay timer with 2 settings, and a built-in retractable power cord. Next is Zojirushi NHS06. If you are a beginner in the rice cooker, then this Zojirushi NHS06 will be worth considering. This is a compact 3-cup model that makes an excellent fit for smaller families, singles, and couples. The main aim of this small rice cooker is to make the cooking cycle much easier and simpler. So for that, in place of all the buttons and complicated functions, NHS06 has housed a single switch, which is really all you need to cook a bowl of perfect rice every day. Its lid is transparent, which will enable you to monitor your rice during the cooking cycle, while its knob is made of stay-cool material to prevent overheating and make it safer for you to open and close the lid as you need to check on your rice. In all, this NHS06 might be small and budget-friendly, but its quality is phenomenal. So for a small price, you can enjoy it for long, thanks to its non-stick inner cooking pan that's easy to clean and can withstand years of use. Next is Dash. This Dash mini rice cooker with keep warm technology is the ultimate mini cooker you can get that is ideal for single serving cooking. You can just add water and press cook, and in less than 20 minutes, your meal will be ready. Its keep warm function is an excellent addition that ensures the food will stay hot, while the removable non-stick pot can make the cleanup easier. More than just rice, you can also add quinoa, oatmeal, or pasta for a quick snack. And it also has an indicator light, which will help you prevent overheating or overcooking ingredients again, making for a healthy, perfect meal each and every time. While its cute and compact design makes it perfect for a dorm room or apartment with limited space. Next is Aroma Arc 957 SBD. This Aroma Housewares Arc 954 SBD rice cooker comes with lots of handy features to allow you to cook sushi brown and white rice. It has an 8-cup capacity yielding 2 to 8 cups of cooked rice, while its compact capacity is perfect for preparing small individual meals or delicious side dishes. It is easy to use with 8 preset digital functions and automatic keep warm mode when the cooking is finished. And featuring a programmable delay timer, it is also great for families on the go, delivering delicious meals ready when they're needed, up to 15 hours in advance. With the included steam tray, it will let you steam foods above when rice, soup, or any other meal simultaneously cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. And in addition to that, this unit has also got a patented function that allows you to saute and brown foods at high heat. And once the liquid is added, the cooker will automatically switch to simmer mode, making it perfect for Spanish rice, chili, risotto, and so much more. Lastly, we have the Tiger Micom. This Tiger Micom is a multifunctional rice cooker that allows you to prepare 2 dishes simultaneously with Tiger's own to cook synchronized cooking function. With minimal preparation and the press of a button, Tiger's automatic cooking logic system can actively monitor cooking temperatures to create the perfect meal, And like other rice cookers, this Tiger's cooking plate is also specifically designed so that the flavors from the cooking plate will not affect the taste or texture of the rice. So, to put it simply, this Tiger Micom is more than just a rice cooker, as you can slow cook your favorite recipes in the ultimate multifunctional rice cooker. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.